I'm going to explain how to factor a polynomial using the greatest common factor. So here is an example. There are two terms in this polynomial, 12x cubed and 8x squared y. We can break up each term into several factors. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And x cubed is x times x times x, 3x's. Now 8x squared y, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x times y. Okay, now let's look for common factors. So 2 is common in both terms. Another 2 is common. Now 3 is only in the first term, sorry. And the third 2 is only in the second term. It's not in the first term. So these two are not common. Let's look at the variables. X is common. The second x is common. The third x is only in the first term. It's not in the second term, so x is not common. The same is true for y. Y is only in the second term. It's not in the first term, so y is not common. So we have circled out all common factors. So the first term and the second term, they are products of 2 times 2 times x times x, which is 4x squared, and the remaining factors. See, the factors not circled, 3 is remaining, x is remaining. Their product is 3 times x. And 2 and y, they are remaining factors of the second term. So 2 times y. So we can write the polynomial 12x cubed plus 8x squared y as a product of the greatest common factor 4x squared times parentheses remaining factors 3x from the first one plus 2y from the second one. So now you can verify your computation by distributing 4x squared into the parentheses. So 4x squared plus times 3x is 12x cubed. 4 times 3 is 12. X squared times x is x cubed. And then you get the second term back by multiplying 4x squared by 2y. So 4 times 2 is 8. X squared times y is x squared y. So this is the factoring of the polynomial. Let's take a look at another example. So in this polynomial, there are 3 terms. 9x to the 4th, 45x squared, 45x squared, I should put minus also. And then the third term is 3x. So we're going to break this apart into factors. So 9 is 3 times 3. X to the 4th is x times x times x times x. So 4 x's. Minus 45x squared. Well, there's minus sign, so it's minus 1 times 45 is 5 times 9. 5 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. So you break it up into little pieces, the smallest pieces possible. X squared is x times x. Okay, look at the third term. 3x is 3 times x. Now 3 is common in all 3 terms. 3, 3, 3. Now there's second 3 here, 3 and 3. But 3 is not, there's no more 3. There's only one 3 here, and it's circled already. No more 3 in the third term. So 3 is not common. It's only in the first and the second term. And x is here. X is common in all 3 terms. Let's circle it out. Now we have circled all the factors of the third term. No more factors. So that's it. There are no more common factors. So now we're going to write this term as a product of the greatest common factor 3x and the remaining factors. The remaining factors here is 3 times x times x times x. That's 3x cubed. the remaining, the second term is 3x times the remaining factors minus 5 times 3 times x. So negative 15x. So negative 15x. The third term is the greatest common factor 3x times 3x is 3x times 1. Okay? So this polynomial is, we can pull out the greatest common factor 3x. If you do that, we have 3x times parentheses the remaining factors, 3x cubed minus 15x plus 1. Now let's verify the result. Multiply this out. 3x times 3x cubed is 9x to the 4th. That's right here. 3x times negative 15x. 3 times negative 15 is negative 45. Negative 45. X times x is x squared. That's right here. 3x times plus 1 is 3x.